So today I'm at our site at Alnwick and we're just in the process of starting a garden here, and I'm just going to show you how to plant a flower bed using different summer bulbs. So the first one I'm going to show you how to plant is lilies. So the group of lilies that I've got here are the Asiatic short-stemmed mix that you can get from the website. So they're mixed colours, they're more of a compact variety in sort of relation to the Oriental lilies, which are the taller ones. So they grow to about 40 to 50 centimetres in height, and they'll be, as I say, mixed colours. And I'm just going to show you how to plant them. So I've got the bag here, and this is what they look like. So when you are planting your lilies, you want them to be root facing down. A general rule of thumb is 2 to 3 times the size of the bulb, but with lilies around 15 centimetres deep. And spacing, if you're doing it in a border, is about 45 centimetres apart. So I'll just plant these now to show you. So all we've got in here is some multi-purpose compost that is peat free. And with lilies, you are safe to plant these now. So it's March time. You can plant them anytime from October through to April. Make a little hole that's about 15 centimetres deep, and all I'm going to do is pop it root side down in here and then cover it over, and that's planted. And then about 45 centimetres, so I'll probably do another one here. Again, 15 centimetres, roots facing down, pop it in, cover it over. And I'll just pop one more in here. Okay, so we'll leave there in these now, and they should start to come up over the next month or so and will flower June, July. So a nice summer flowering bulb.